Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready. Your phone unlocked, Android Auto enabled, or running natively on Android 10 Plus. Make sure Bluetooth and location are on because the head unit uses both to pair and discover services. Use a high-quality USB-C to USB-A or USB-C cable. Poor cables cause intermittent connections. Once done, check the Rogue's infotainment USB port for debris or damage, so the physical connection will be reliable before you proceed to pairing and screen prompts. You now connect. Plug the cable into your phone and the Rogue's USB port while the car is in ACC or on. The head unit will detect the device. Select Android Auto on the Nissan screen. Grant any permissions on your phone for contacts, messages, and media so features work correctly. For wireless setups, pair Bluetooth first, then accept the wireless Android Auto prompt. This establishes a Wi-Fi direct link. Make sure the phone screen stays awake through initial setup to complete authorization. You finish by customizing which apps and notifications appear. Open Android Auto settings on your phone and the vehicle to adjust voice, messaging, and navigation defaults. If the interface doesn't load, disconnect and reconnect, then restart your phone and the Rogue's infotainment system. This often clears temporary faults. Make sure both Android Auto and your phone OS are updated, and try a different high-quality cable if problems persist. If nothing works, clear the Android Auto app cache or check the car's firmware for available updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.